Hello po sa lahat. Before we start our lesson, let's insert data to items table so we can use it to illustrate the topic. So open your database and insert all this data. Now, we have 12 items in our database. There is another function called distinct. Gagamitin mo lang tong function na to kung gusto mong mag-retrieve ng unique data sa table or tables mo. Let's say for example, gusto mong malaman ano-ano ang mga items na meron kayo sa database nyo. So the query will look like this. Select items from item. Now run your query. As you can see, may mga items na paulit-ulit. Kung ibibigay mo tong result na to sa boss mo, he won't be happy kasi paulit-ulit lang yung information. So to solve this, you need to use the distinct function. Edit your query into this. Select distinct, open parentheses, items, close parentheses, from item. Then run it. As you can see, duplicates are eliminated in the result. Now we have a list of items that are unique. Ngayon naman, let's learn about group by keyword. For example, gusto mong malaman ilang items meron sa isang category. We can create a query like this. Select category ID, item, from, items, order by category ID. As you can see, we have list of items per category. But the problem is, gusto natin malaman ilang items per category meron tayo. So we need the function count and the keyword group by. Edit your query into this. Select category ID, comma, count, open parentheses, asterisk, closing parentheses, from items, group by category ID. Now we have the number of items per category. So our query means we select the category ID column, then we group it, and then count how many rows that category ID appears. So our result set looks like this. We can also change the column header. So edit your query and add this alias. If you have questions and clarifications, comment it down below. Thank you all for watching. Have a good day.